Sarah. I'm so sorry to hear about you, brother incident. How's he doing?
Thanks, John. He's still in the hospital, but the doctor said he'll be okay. It's just a tough time for our family right now. I can imagine. My mom was in the hospital last year, and it was really scary. Is there anything we can do to help? Yeah, we can definitely help with something. Do you need us to bring food or something to the hospital? Actually, that would be great. My mom is staying at the hospital with my brother, so some food would really help. Thank you, guys.
We're here for you, Sarah. Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything else.
Yeah, we're all thinking of you and your family. Hope your brother recovers soon. Absolutely, sending our best wishes to your brother and your family.